breathe. I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are on the side, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Share the make my walk when you look in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words till night by my side. I love you. Let's say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I finally find the courage deep inside, just the world right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like a